Why don't I trust doctors? Many times I tell people that you're better off going to a gas station to get medical advice than to a doctor. At gas stations, they know what they're doing. You don't find people putting water in the gas tank. But doctors don't know what they're doing. They don't know, and they don't want to know basic medicine. They don't want to know the fundamentals of medical science and what's been written over the last century by good doctors and research teams when things were a little bit more integral than they are today. The most immediate beef I have with doctors is that they don't know much and don't pay attention to magnesium. If a doctor doesn't talk about magnesium and mention magnesium and put you on reasonably high doses of magnesium and put you on something else without the magnesium, you know they're doing something wrong. It's like putting water in the gas tank. There's certain things that we have to do to either be healthy or recover from disease. We have to continue breathing. Do doctors pay attention much to people's breathing rate? No. Even though it's the most important thing in life, because if you don't take your next breath, you're going to be dead in about 3 minutes. Doctors don't even pay attention to hydration very much. And when it's one of the biggest problems in pediatric medicine, dehydration. Doctors are drug pushers. Not all of them, but the great majority. They work for the pharmaceutical paradigm. They're glorified drug pushers, though almost every pharmaceutical is a poison. And that's why their main paradigm or philosophy is the dose makes the poison. They don't want to outright poison you, so they give you low dosages. A high dosage of a poison could kill you right away. But that's what they do, that's what they use. Even aspirin kills lots of people. Tylenol sends more people to the emergency room than anything. Bicarbonato de sodio. Oh, excuse me, I'm speaking Portuguese. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Used in ambulances, emergency rooms, ICU for forever. Do your regular doctor put you on sodium bicarbonate? Basic medicine, cheapest, most potent. They iodine, selenium, sulfur, basic things, foundations for health. No, they just want to write down a prescription and send you to the pharmacy. And all the greatest innovations of this century, starting with hydrogen medicine, 99% of them turn a blind eye. The medical organizations don't endorse it, the government doesn't endorse it. So doctors, their advice, when I first started dealing with artificial intelligence, asking it basic medical questions, it always end up saying, consult your doctor. Then after a year, I didn't basically trust it because that's to me crazy advice, especially to give to me. But after a year, when I started using it seriously, I would confront artificial intelligence and say, you can't say that, and give them good reasons. And my artificial intelligence, and I have two, don't do that to me anymore. They, of course, mirror my particular stance. So beware of doctors. I'm a doctor, but I'm not a regular doctor. I don't prescribe medicines, pharmaceuticals. Everything in my protocol is natural, though when used at high dosages, very powerful. I don't hold much hope for doctors after this COVID disaster. Every doctor who administered and recommended COVID mRNA vaccines can't be trusted. Can't be trusted. So that's what I have to say about doctors.
If this video resonated with you, there's much more waiting on my Substack. I release 3 free newsletters every week, plus exclusive video content for paid subscribers. If you're ready to go deeper into real medicine, beyond the lies and limitations, follow the link below and join the movement.